Hi guys, it's Nicole Veronica here, back with another video. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. Now the week just gone was A-level results day in the UK, which is a really scary, exciting, nervous, anxious time, and it's really important and crucial for a lot of people who are hoping to go to university. And I remember when I was there and I got my results way back in 2017. And it was a good day for me heading to university, and it was a really exciting time. And in today's video I'm going to talk to you about sort of just like guiding you on the next steps of what to do, things to think about, because in all the excitement or the nervousness you tend to sort of forget, like, right, okay, I'm actually going to university, what do I need to do now? So I'm going to give you guys some top tips on what to do and how to prepare for heading to university. Like always, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'm coming back with consistent videos, consistent content, and I'd love to produce videos that you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section below. I'm always open to suggestions. Without further ado, enough of my waffling, let's get into the video. Before I begin, I just want to say a massive congratulations. Massive congratulations to those of you who have received results. Pat yourself on the back, because it is hard. It is bloody hard, and I'm not being funny. Our education system and how everything has gone has not made it very easy with A-levels, BTECs, going to unis, further education, and it is a really stressful and challenging kind of path to navigate. So congratulations, you should be extremely proud of yourself. I'm proud of you and I'm excited for you. I love hearing about people's journeys going to university. I love higher education. I remember when I was in sixth form, I literally never ever checked my emails. I only regularly checked my emails because I wanted to get my UCAS updates to see if I got into university or not. That was literally the only time I would ever check my emails. So I'm telling you now, start checking your emails. You're going to get important emails about registration, accommodation check-in, welcome week events for freshers and things like that. So make sure you're keeping an eye on your inbox. Next, depending on the city that you're going to, make sure that you've checked what services are available. For example, if you need a certain type of doctors, or if you kind of have sort of different types of medical support and services that you'll need, make sure that they're there, make sure that you're aware of kind of how to access them beforehand, because it's just better to prepare and to plan now instead of when you get into kind of the whole midst of like being in freshers week and starting uni. You don't want any other additional extra stress. This could mean registering at the city of the university you know you're going to, or choosing to stay on kind of like in your current home city. Either's fine, it just depends on kind of like how regularly you use your doctors and kind of like what works best for you, but just kind of look into that just to make sure that things aren't left to the last minute. Next, check your accommodation offer. Now, make sure that you're looking in your inbox in case they send you information about when to kind of get ready to come and actually move into your accommodation. A lot of the time, to kind of make it orderly, some universities, they do slots, like time slots of when you can come to move in. That may have changed this year. Just keep an eye out on that. Make sure you're checking your inboxes in case they kind of need you to register. They need you to put down a time for when you need to collect your keys. Really important just to make sure you know what's going on, because I guarantee you can't just rock up and just like put your stuff somewhere. They need to make sure that they know when you're coming, just so it's not kind of like a crazy kind of chaos of thousands and thousands of students trying to move into their halls. Next, I would recommend joining some Facebook group chats. You don't have to, but it's something that I really enjoyed, and a lot of my friends are still friends with the people that they were friends with in the Facebook group chats, because it's kind of like, it's nice to have people before you get to uni, and then you get there and you're like, oh my god, we were speaking in a Facebook chat. Alleviate any stresses, any worries, meet people who are kind of interested in the same things you like. I'm pretty sure that there's hundreds and hundreds of Facebook group chats that get made every year for all the different universities, so you'll definitely find your one. I remember people told me that they remembered that I was the girl that was quite keen. As you guys can probably imagine, I was quite keen, messaging a lot on the chats, being like, guys, like, what's going on? Like, I was just the person who was like, quite actively talking in the group chat, annoyingly. But then I made friends through that, which was really nice, so that kind of helps. But if you don't want to do that, that's absolutely fine, but it's the option if people do want to connect with people socially. Now the most exciting part is do your big IKEA shop. So exciting, so much fun, and I recommend checking your accommodation and seeing what they provide, just so you don't have to get double or triple of what is already there. So things like kettles, kitchen appliances, things like that, just double check that they have the stuff there and see if you can get a list. A lot of the time they have a list of kind of what is there, so double check just so you're not buying extra. If you can, if they provide who you're living with, see if you can reach out to your future flatmates and kind of organise a list and organise a plan of what they're bringing and what you're bringing, just so you don't have doubles if you are having a shared kitchen. If you're having your own kitchen and you're in a studio, you can sort of get whatever really, but I would just recommend double checking just so you're saving money. If you guys are interested, I'd happily make a video on what to bring to university, because obviously now being in my 5th year, I realised what you did need to buy, what you didn't need to buy, and I'm happy to kind of give a comprehensive list of what I recommend bringing to university. So give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if that's something you'd like to see. Lastly, hold off buying your course books. Now, I know some people are a bit like, oh, but you know, like you should be buying your books. Unless your university say like you have to buy these books. I remember my first year I spent hundreds on books, and then I got there and they were all there in the library, and I literally, in these books, I bought these thick textbooks from Amazon. I only probably read about 4 chapters from that thick book, so I didn't really need it. A lot of the time you can get online copies anyway, so I would just double check and withhold from spending your money, because they're really hard to sell off as well. But additionally, it's not the end of the world if you do buy them, because you can always sell them to the younger years, so that's not a problem at all. I hope that was useful. Thumbs up and comment down below if you'd like a part 2. I've got lots and lots of tips and tricks that I'd happily share with you guys, and like always, please comment, thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to be notified when it is my next video. I hope you guys stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.